is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, I went to the machine shop. I picked up my block for the Cleveland. It's cracked, no good. I'm not using it. Let me turn this around, show you what we got going on. How you doing? Alrighty, as we approach the block, slowly, quietly, yes, just take it easy. So there was no use to messing with any of those because the block's crack. And yes, it's a huge crack. Look at that. Yeah, not good. You can see right in there. Oh yeah. So the Magnaflux just went right to it. Yep, very, very bad. Not good. There you go. So you can see the crack right there. So they kind of just cleaned it up around there so we could see the crack better. He says we could probably stitch it, but then you gotta, pressure check it and everything. And I'm just not putting that money into it. Just not doing it. I am not gonna build a block that's broke. Sorry. But it did clean up nice, didn't it? Yes, it did. But I'm not going to scrap it right away. Never know. Somebody might be looking for a block and don't care to stitch it. I mean, if you're going to build a stock block or something like that, I really don't see no problem with it. But I'm not building a stock block. So let me get this thing over here and try to get off the back of my truck, and I'll be right back. I guess it's back to the drawing board and see what kind of engine we're going to put in here. It's going to be a small block Ford or something of the sort. Something I can use that came over. I'm not going Coyote and I'm not going Godzilla. Nope, not doing it. So maybe just build a 302 or just get a stock 302 put in it, make it look fast. Ain't never going to be fast. It's Fairmont, Really? Anyhow, the block's cracked. I have been looking for another block. Don't think I ain't. Because I really do. I am stuck on the Cleveland thing. But I am not going to weld that and then have a problem with it later on. No. I already put $150 in it just to find out if it was cracked. I ain't putting no more money into it. I'm done with it. But if I can find a block that's good, that's in good shape, I'll go with the Cleveland still. Because that's what I really want to do. But let's see. Yeah, that's Fairmont. Yeah, baby. So anyhow, guys, I'm not going to start working on that 65 Mustang until this Fairmont's done. I mean, I might break the drums and stuff loose on it so I can get it off the trailer and that, but that'll probably be the gist of it. Cover it up until either somebody buys it or I get the Fairmont done and I can afford to put a floor and some frame and stuff on that car, Because I can always find an engine to put in it. Don't have to be a hot rod engine for that. Just got to look good, right? Or look, drivable anyhow. I'm going to tell you guys something. You're awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. And if I don't tell them you're awesome, then somebody will. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it was you watch this.